thank you for coming. And on behalf of my family, Hasnan and Mehrunsa, Ibad, I would like to say thank you to everyone who is here to celebrate this day with us. I'm really blessed and honored to have you here. I know when I moved to St. Louis like 11 years ago, Mr. Dr. Ashok asked me to move in this community, West County. Thank you, Ashok, to give me that advice. That's why I'm really thankful to everyone who has respect for us in this community, and this community is really as a family now for us. Thank you. Nan, Ibad and Hasnan, thank you very much for organizing this event for us. We love you all. Thank you. And definitely, lastly, this is the important person in my life, my wife Mehrunsa. Thank you for 30 years with me, being with me. And I cannot wait to ask you another 30 more years. Will you? She still has doubt, so inshallah means will be or not be. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
I think this is the time to eat now. So food is ready. So they want to say
No,
something.
thank you for everything. Thank you for everything.
Food is ready, so you can help yourself, please.